Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of life insurance. Specifically, we're talking about what happens when you decide you don't need your policy anymore. It's called surrendering your policy. And it's like returning that sweater you bought but never wore. Life insurance is there to protect your loved ones financially if something happens to you. But sometimes life throws curveballs. Maybe you need cash now, or your circumstances change and you don't need the coverage anymore. That's where surrendering your policy comes in. It's a big decision, kind of like choosing between pizza and tacos, always a tough one. So, buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of life insurance policy surrender. Okay, so you're thinking about surrendering your life insurance policy. What's the next step? First, you need to contact your insurance company. Think of it like calling your friend to tell them you can't make it to their party, except hopefully less disappointing. They'll guide you through the process, which usually involves filling out some paperwork. It's not as fun as filling out a Mad Libs, but hey, adulting, am I right? Once you've submitted everything, the insurance company will review your request. If everything checks out, they'll send you a check for the surrender value of your policy. That's the amount of money your policy is worth. Surrendering your life insurance policy can seem like a good idea, especially if you need cash quickly. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. But just like that bag of chips that's been in your pantry for a year, there might be some downsides. On the one hand, you get a lump sum of money, which can be helpful for emergencies, paying off debt, or even just treating yourself. You deserve it. Plus, you won't have to pay any more premiums, which can free up some cash flow. However, surrendering your policy means you lose your life insurance coverage. If something happens to you, your loved ones won't receive a death benefit. Also, you might have to pay taxes on the surrender value, which means less money in your pocket. Real talk, when surrendering makes sense. So, when does it actually make sense to surrender your life insurance policy? Well, it's like deciding whether to wear a raincoat. It depends on the weather. If you're facing a financial hardship, like a job loss or medical bills, surrendering your policy can provide a much-needed safety net. Similarly, if your financial situation has changed and you no longer need the coverage, surrendering can make sense. But if you're healthy and your financial situation is stable, it's usually best to keep your policy. Remember, life insurance is there to protect your loved ones, and that's priceless. Wrapping up, your financial future. That's life insurance policy surrender in a nutshell. Remember, it's a big decision with long-term consequences, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Talk to your financial advisor or insurance agent to figure out what's best for you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, please like and subscribe to this channel for more information like this.